welcome back. Last class we started our first chapter, I Love My India, right? We also studied that India is a union of 28 states and 8 union territories. Am I right? India is a union of 28 states and 8 union territories. Dear students, today we are going to learn the names of 28 states, their capitals, names of 8 union territories and their capitals. Children, it's not a Herculean task or it's not a tough deal to learn the names of 28 states and 8 union territories. It's really easy and a fun activity to learn the names of all the states and union territories. So let's start. Dear students, we can learn the names of 28 states in the alphabetical order so that it's very easy for you to memorize and recollect. So starting with A, we have 3 states. Starting with A, we have 3 states. They are Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Capital of Assam is Dispur. And starting with B, we only have one state and that state is Bihar. Capital of Bihar is Patna. Next is Chhattisgarh and its capital is Raipur. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Starting with G, we have 2 states. One is Goa and the second one is Gujarat. Capital of Goa is Panaji and capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. And starting with H, we have 2 states. One is Haryana and second one is Himachal Pradesh. Capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Children, Chandigarh is the capital of 2 states and it is also a union territory. And capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. And starting with J, we have only one state, that is Jharkhand, and its capital is Ranchi. Starting with K, we have 2 states, 2 southern states. One is Karnataka and second one is our state Kerala. Capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru and capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Starting with M, we have 5 states. Starting with M, we have 5 states. Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya and Mizoram. Capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Capital of Manipur is Imphal. And capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. And capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. And starting with N, we have only one state, that is Nagaland, and its capital is Kohima. Starting with O, we have one state, Odisha, and its capital is Bhubaneswar. Starting with P, we have only one state, Punjab, and its capital is Chandigarh. I told you, Chandigarh is the capital of 2 states, that is Punjab and Haryana, and it is also Chandigarh is also a union territory. Okay? And starting with R, we have one state, Rajasthan, and its capital is Jaipur. Starting with S, we have one state, Sikkim, and its capital is Gangtok. Starting with T, we have 3 states, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Tripura. Capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Capital of Tripura is Agartala. And next is Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. Capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun and capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. And our 20th state is West Bengal and its capital is Kolkata. So now you learn the names of 28 states. It's very easy to learn the names of 28 states. Just learn the state's name in alphabetical order. Okay? Next is 8 union territories. We have 8 union territories. First is Andaman and Nicobar and its capital is Port Blair. Capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair. Second is Chandigarh and its capital is Chandigarh itself. Third one is Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Children, earlier Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu were 2 union territories. Now it is considered as a 1 union territory or a single union territory. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, and its capital is Daman. And the fourth one is Lakshadweep and its capital is Kavaratti. Capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. Fifth one is National Capital Territory of Delhi and its capital is Delhi. Sixth one Puducherry and its capital is also Puducherry. Next is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir was also a state. Now it is a union territory and it has 2 capitals. Its summer capital is Srinagar and winter capital is Jammu. Jammu and Kashmir has 2 capitals. Summer capital is Srinagar and winter capital is Jammu. And the last union territory is Ladakh. It has also 2 capitals. Summer capital is Leh and the winter capital is Kargil. Ladakh has 2 capitals. Summer capital is Leh and winter capital is Kargil. So children, total we have 28 states and 8 union territories. India is a union of 28 states and 8 union territories. Next is about physical divisions of India. Based on the landforms, India is divided into 5. India has different kinds of landforms in different parts. Examples of landforms are mountains, hills, plateaus, islands and so on. So based on the landforms, India is divided into 5. Okay, in India we have different kinds of landforms in various parts. So based on landforms, India is divided into 5. Okay, first is the northern mountains. In the northern region we have mountains. Second is the plains. We have 2 plains, the northern plains and the coastal plains. Just below the northern mountains, we have northern plains and also we have coastal plains. Third is the western desert. And fourth one is the southern plateaus. And the last one is the islands. First is the northern mountains. Based on the landforms, India is divided into 5 and the first division is the northern mountains. In the northern regions, we have mountain ranges called Himalayas. In the northern regions, we have mountain ranges called Himalayas. Dear students, please look. Mountains have high points. High points or peak. Mountains have high points or peak. Okay. So in the northern region we have northern mountains. Second is the plains. What is meant by a plain? area of land with gentle slopes. Gentle slopes means gentle ups and down. A flat land with gentle ups and downs are known as plains. We have two plains in India. One is northern plains and the second one is coastal plains. This is northern plains. Just below the northern mountains, we have northern plains. Plains are flat area of lands with gentle ups and down. Flat land. We have also coastal plains. Coastal plains are near the sea. Okay. And the third one is the western desert. In the western region we have one desert. What is the name of that desert? The Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. We have one desert in India in the western region, and the name of that desert is the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. And children, what is a desert? Deserts are extremely dry areas of land. Dry areas of land. Okay, very dry areas of land are known as deserts. And in India we have one desert, and the name of that desert is the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. And the fourth one is the southern plateaus. Children, in the southern region, in the southern part of in India, we have plateaus. What is meant by a plateaus? Children, a plateau is a large area of land. It's a large area of land that is higher than the surroundings and more or less flat at the top. What is meant by a plateau? A plateau is a large area of land that is higher than the surroundings and more or less flat at the top. So children, the fourth physical division of India is the southern plateaus. In the southern region we have plateaus, and plateaus are large area of land which is higher than the surroundings and more or less flat at the top. Mountains have high points or peaks, but plateaus are more or less flat at the top. I hope you understood the difference between mountains and plateaus. Mountains have high points or peaks, but plateaus are more or less flat at the top. And the last one is the islands. Islands. What is meant by an island? An island is an area surrounded by water on four sides. It's an area surrounded by water on four sides. Last class we studied what is meant by a peninsula, right? A peninsula is an area surrounded by water on three sides. And we studied that the southern part of India is a peninsula. So what is the difference between peninsula and an island? Peninsula is a region surrounded by water on three sides, and islands are large land masses surrounded by water on four sides. An area surrounded by water on four sides. So, which are the five physical divisions of India? First is the northern mountains. The second is the plains. We have two plains, the northern plains and the coastal plains. The third one is the western desert, and the fourth one is the southern plateaus, and the last one is the islands. Look at the physical map of India. I told you, in the northernmost region we have mountains. This brown colored region is northern mountains. First one is northern mountains. Just below the northern mountains, this dark green areas are the northern plains. Second one, just below the northern mountains, we have northern plains. And this region is the desert region. This region, light yellow region is the desert region. And what is the name of our desert? The Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. This region, dark yellow shaded region is the plateaus. The southern plateaus. And this region is the coastal plains. Coastal plains are near the water bodies. This region is the coastal plains. And children, in India we have islands also. We have mainly two islands. One is Lakshadweep and the second one is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, I hope you understood the names of 28 states, 8 union territories and 5 physical divisions of India. Based on the landforms, India is divided into 5. Which are they? The northern mountains, the plains, the northern and coastal plains, and third one is the western desert, and the fourth one is the southern plateaus, and the fifth one is the islands. We have 2 islands in India. Islands are areas surrounded by water on 4 sides. In India, we have 2 islands. One is Lakshadweep and the second one is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay? You have to do one activity also. In your notebook, please write the names of 28 Indian states, 8 union territories and their capitals. Write the names of 28 Indian states, their capitals, 8 union territories and their capitals also. That's all for today. Thank you very much, my dear children. Next class we will start a new chapter. Till then, bye.